Hello, this is Hazel, and Hazel is 6 years old, is that right? Yes, and Hazel is trained Stockton's ballerinas. And we have a special guest with us today, Miss Priscilla. Miss Priscilla is our very special official PBT tutor for all of Asia. And we're very excited to work with you on this exercise. You excited? Yes? So it's all about feet, this one, isn't it? Yes? And of course, we need to get the feet working through the intrinsics young and trying to get the students not to think about the crunch of the toes, but the middle of the foot, like we're rolling through in long toes. Yes? Really important, because one day, do you want to dance on your tippy toes one day? Wouldn't that be exciting? So this is actually where we start to prepare the feet, isn't it, Miss Priscilla? Very important. So we have a towel here as well. Miss Priscilla will talk about the towel.
So when students who have really tight hip flexors, so we were trying to place the students to be sitting on top of the towel so they can activate more.
Okay, so would you like to sit yourself?
Do you want to show us how we can sit there? There we go. Do you feel straight back now?
Very straight. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Now, I don't actually think that Hazel needs the towel, but some children do. So we want to show that as well, right? So then we're going to place the fusion ball here because Hazel has some hyperextension. Feel it long, but not locked back. So long, but not locked back. Yeah, stretch long. Good. So the more hyperextension, the higher the ball. If there's no hyperextension, it can move down here. So now we're going to put the special band on. We're going to try to get rid of the curly toes. I'm going to put the band on here. Hazel, you'll hold that side there with that right hand. That's it. Now we're going to put the whole foot. So flex it. So we get the whole foot and nice and stretched out like that so you can feel the feet. And this one's going to go across here. Whoops, our ball slipped out. Thank you, Miss Priscilla. And we're going to hold it in this hand. Right? We're going to sit up with the most beautiful back. Oh, good, good. Now, see, well, hold one in each hand. Right, now you gently pull the band towards you as you go long toes. Remember the laser beams on those toes, and then relax the bands a little bit. Can we hold one in each hand? So one here, right? So here, now you make it work yourself. Push through and long toes. Did you pull the band towards you? Good, and release it back. So this is the most important part here. This is our intrinsic muscles. So now, sometimes I like to put a little bit of pressure here. Now, give it pressure. Oh, yes, good, good. Did you pull the band? And then back again. It's a little bit like you're catching a fish. Yes, and you've got to pull that fish in, go through. Oh, look at that. That was beautiful. Oh, look at that. And if we got our back, and our puppet strings. Oh, fantastic. Oh, that is wonderful, wonderful technique. Oh, beautiful. Would you like to show us with music now? Beautiful girl.